Let's travel back to the early 1900s when Henry Ford founded the Ford Motor Company in 1903. At that time, cars were a luxury only a few could afford. Ford's vision was to make automobiles accessible to everyone. His determination and innovative thinking set the stage for a revolution in transportation. The company started small, but Henry Ford's ambition was anything but. This was the beginning of a journey that would change the world and the way people move. As we explore the history of Ford, we'll see how one man's dream became a global phenomenon. 1908, Ford introduced the Model T, a car that would become legendary. The Model T was affordable, reliable, and easy to maintain, making it the first car for many American families. Its simple design and sturdy build meant it could handle rough roads and long journeys. The Model T wasn't just a car. It was a symbol of freedom and progress. Ford's use of interchangeable parts and standardized production made repairs easier and cheaper, further boosting its popularity. The Model T truly put America on wheels and set the standard for the industry. One of Ford's most significant contributions was the introduction of the moving assembly line in 1913. This innovation revolutionized manufacturing, allowing cars to be produced faster and more efficiently. The assembly line reduced production time for a single car from over 12 hours to just 90 minutes. This not only made cars more affordable, but also set a new standard for industries worldwide. Ford's assembly line became a model for mass production, influencing everything from appliances to airplanes. The impact of this innovation is still felt in factories around the globe today. As Ford's success grew in the United States, the company set its sights on the world. By the 1920s, Ford was building factories in Europe, South America, and beyond. The brand became a symbol of American ingenuity and progress. Ford cars were now seen on roads from London to Buenos Aires, making the company a truly global player. This expansion helped Ford weather economic storms and adapt to different markets. The company's global reach laid the foundation for its continued growth and influence in the automotive industry. 1932, Ford introduced another game-changer, the flathead V8 engine. This powerful engine brought high performance to the masses at an affordable price. The V8 quickly became popular among car enthusiasts and racers, helping Ford build a reputation for speed and power. The flathead V8's simple design made it easy to modify, fueling the hot rod culture that would flourish in the decades to come. Ford's commitment to innovation kept the company ahead of the curve and cemented its place in automotive history. 1930s were tough for everyone, and Ford was no exception. The Great Depression hit the auto industry hard, but Ford managed to survive by adapting its business strategies. The company introduced new models and focused on efficiency to keep costs down. Ford's resilience during this period showed its ability to weather economic storms. By staying innovative and responsive to changing times, Ford emerged from the Depression stronger and ready for new challenges. During World War II, Ford shifted its focus from cars to supporting the war effort. The company produced tanks, planes, and other military vehicles, playing a crucial role in the Allied victory. Ford's Willow Run plant became famous for building B-24 bombers at an unprecedented rate. This period demonstrated Ford's ability to adapt and contribute to causes beyond the automotive world. After the war, Ford returned to car production, bringing new energy and innovation to the industry. Years after World War II saw a boom in car ownership, and Ford was ready to meet the demand. The company introduced stylish new models and embraced the latest technology. Cars became more than just transportation. They were a symbol of freedom and prosperity. Ford's post-war vehicles reflected the optimism of the era, with sleek designs and powerful engines. The company's ability to capture the spirit of the times helped it remain a leader in the industry. 1955, Ford introduced the Thunderbird, a stylish two-seater that captured the imagination of car lovers everywhere. The Thunderbird combined performance with luxury, setting a new standard for American cars. Its sleek lines and powerful engine made it an instant classic. The Thunderbird's success showed that Ford could compete in the growing market for personal luxury vehicles. This model remains an icon of 1950s automotive design. The 1960s brought one of Ford's most famous creations, the Mustang. Launched in 1964, the Mustang was an instant hit, appealing to young drivers with its sporty look and affordable price. The Mustang created a new category, the pony car, and inspired a wave of competitors. Its combination of style, performance, and value made it a cultural icon. The Mustang's enduring popularity is a testament to Ford's ability to capture the spirit of the times. Ford's passion for performance wasn't limited to the street. In the 1960s, the company set its sights on racing glory. The Ford GT40 famously defeated Ferrari at the 24 Hours of Le Mans, winning 4 consecutive times from 1966 to 1969. This victory cemented Ford's reputation for engineering excellence and competitive spirit. The GT40's success on the track inspired generations of performance cars and proved that Ford could compete with the best in the world. As cars became faster and more powerful, safety became a top priority. Ford introduced a range of safety features, including seat belts, improved brakes, and stronger frames. The company invested in research and development to make its vehicles safer for drivers and passengers. Ford's commitment to safety helped set industry standards and protect millions of people on the road. This focus on safety continues to shape the company's approach to car design today. By the 1970s, environmental concerns were growing. Ford responded by developing more fuel-efficient engines and reducing emissions. The company introduced smaller, lighter cars to meet new regulations and consumer demand. Ford's efforts to balance performance with environmental responsibility marked a new chapter in its history. The company's commitment to sustainability continues to influence its products and policies today. Ford's F-Series trucks have been a mainstay of American roads since their introduction in 1948. Known for their toughness and reliability, the F-Series quickly became the best-selling trucks in the country. These trucks are used for everything from work to recreation, and their popularity shows no signs of slowing down. The F-Series represents Ford's commitment to building vehicles that meet the needs of real people. The automotive industry is always changing, and Ford has shown a remarkable ability to adapt. From the oil crises of the 1970s to the rise of Japanese competition, Ford has faced many challenges. The company responded by streamlining operations, introducing new models, and investing in technology. Ford's resilience and willingness to evolve have kept it at the forefront of the industry for over a century. In the 1980s, Ford launched the Taurus, a car that redefined the family sedan. With its aerodynamic design and advanced features, the Taurus set new standards for comfort and efficiency. The car's success helped Ford regain its competitive edge and inspired a new generation of vehicles. The Taurus remains a milestone in Ford's history, showing the company's ability to innovate and lead. As consumer preferences shifted, Ford expanded its lineup to include SUVs and crossovers. Models like the Explorer and Escape became popular choices for families and adventurers alike. These vehicles combined the comfort of a car with the versatility of a truck, meeting the needs of a changing market. Ford's ability to anticipate trends and respond to customer demands has been key to its ongoing success. In the late 20th and early 21st centuries, Ford renewed its focus on global markets. The company introduced models designed for international tastes and expanded its presence in Asia and Europe. Ford's global strategy helped it weather economic downturns and remain competitive in a rapidly changing world. Today, Ford vehicles are sold in more than 100 countries, reflecting the company's international reach. Technology has always been at the heart of Ford's success. In recent decades, the company has embraced everything from advanced safety systems to infotainment and connectivity features. Ford's Sync system, for example, allows drivers to control music, navigation, and communication with voice commands. These innovations make driving safer and more enjoyable, keeping Ford at the cutting edge of the industry. As concerns about the environment and fuel costs have grown, Ford has invested heavily in hybrid and electric vehicles. The company introduced its first hybrid, the Escape Hybrid, in 2004, and has since expanded its lineup to include plug-in hybrids and all-electric models. Ford's commitment to green technology is helping to shape the future of transportation and reduce the company's environmental impact. Ford's EcoBoost engines have become a hallmark of the brand's commitment to efficiency and performance. Introduced in 2009, EcoBoost technology uses turbocharging and direct injection to deliver more power with less fuel. These engines have been widely adopted across Ford's lineup, offering drivers a balance of performance and economy. EcoBoost is a great example of how Ford continues to innovate in response to changing needs. Ford has embraced smart manufacturing techniques to improve quality and efficiency. The company uses robotics, automation, and data analytics to streamline production and reduce waste. These innovations help Ford build better cars faster and more sustainably. Smart manufacturing is part of Ford's ongoing commitment to excellence and environmental responsibility. Ford is investing in autonomous driving technology, aiming to make self-driving cars a reality. The company is testing vehicles equipped with advanced sensors and artificial intelligence that can navigate city streets and highways. While fully autonomous cars are still in development, Ford's research and partnerships are paving the way for a future where driving could be safer and more convenient than ever before. Modern Ford vehicles are more connected than ever. Features like Wi-Fi hotspots, smartphone integration, and real-time navigation make driving easier and more enjoyable. Ford is also exploring new mobility solutions, such as ride-sharing and electric scooters, to meet the needs of urban commuters. The company's focus on connectivity and mobility shows its commitment to shaping the future of transportation. Ford is committed to sustainability, investing in renewable materials, energy-efficient factories, and eco-friendly manufacturing processes. The company uses recycled materials in its vehicles and works to reduce its carbon footprint. These efforts reflect Ford's responsibility to the environment and its customers. Sustainability is now a core part of Ford's mission and strategy. After years of anticipation, Ford brought back the Bronco in 2020. The new Bronco combines rugged off-road capability with modern technology and style. It quickly became a favorite among adventure seekers and outdoor enthusiasts. The Bronco's return shows how Ford honors its heritage while embracing the future. Ford's commitment to performance is stronger than ever. The company's lineup includes high-performance models like the Mustang Shelby GT500 and the Ford GT Supercar. These vehicles showcase Ford's engineering expertise and passion for speed. Whether on the track or the street, Ford performance cars deliver excitement and innovation. Ford is rapidly expanding its electric vehicle lineup. The Mustang Mach-E, an all-electric SUV, and the F-150 Lightning, an electric version of America's best-selling truck, are leading the charge. These vehicles combine Ford's legendary performance with zero-emissions technology. Ford's investment in electric vehicles is helping to shape the future of transportation. Ford Pass is a digital platform that connects drivers with their vehicles and a range of services. Through the Ford Pass app, users can start their car remotely, schedule maintenance, and find parking. This digital transformation is making car ownership more convenient and personalized. Ford's focus on digital services reflects the changing expectations of modern drivers. The COVID-19 pandemic presented new challenges for the auto industry. Ford responded by prioritizing the health and safety of its employees and customers. The company also shifted production to make medical equipment and supplies. Ford's quick response demonstrated its resilience and commitment to supporting communities in times of crisis. Ford is committed to building a diverse and inclusive workforce. The company values different perspectives and backgrounds, believing that diversity drives innovation. Ford's efforts to create an inclusive environment help it attract top talent and better serve its global customers. This commitment is an important part of Ford's culture and future success. Giving back to the community has always been important to Ford. The company supports a wide range of charitable initiatives, from education and health to disaster relief. Ford's philanthropic efforts reflect its commitment to making a positive impact beyond the automotive world. These programs help strengthen communities and improve lives around the globe. Ford's rich history is preserved in museums and heritage centers around the world. The Henry Ford Museum in Michigan showcases the company's innovations and contributions to society. Visitors can see classic cars, historic artifacts, and interactive exhibits that tell the story of Ford's journey. These institutions celebrate the legacy of Ford and inspire future generations. Ford cars have appeared in countless movies, TV shows, and songs, becoming symbols of freedom and adventure. From the Mustang in Bullitt to the F-Series in country music, Ford vehicles are woven into the fabric of popular culture. This cultural presence has helped Ford connect with generations of fans and customers. Ford has formed partnerships with companies around the world to drive innovation and growth. Collaborations with technology firms, suppliers, and other automakers help Ford stay at the forefront of the industry. These partnerships enable Ford to share knowledge, access new markets, and develop cutting-edge technologies. Looking ahead, Ford is focused on building a smarter, more sustainable future. The company is investing in electric vehicles, autonomous technology, and mobility solutions. Ford's vision is to create vehicles that are not only fun to drive, but also environmentally responsible and connected to the world around us. This forward-thinking approach will shape the next chapter of Ford's story. Ford puts customers at the center of everything it does. The company listens to feedback, anticipates needs, and strives to exceed expectations. From designing user-friendly vehicles to offering flexible financing options, Ford's customer-centric approach builds loyalty and trust. This focus on the customer is key to Ford's ongoing success. Ford Credit provides financing solutions to help customers buy or lease their vehicles. This service makes it easier for people to own a Ford, offering competitive rates and flexible terms. Ford Credit is an important part of the company's business, supporting sales and helping customers achieve their dreams of car ownership. Ford is dedicated to providing excellent after-sales service. The company offers maintenance, repairs, and genuine parts to keep vehicles running smoothly. Ford's network of dealerships and service centers ensures that help is always close at hand. This commitment to service helps build long-term relationships with customers. The Ford logo is one of the most recognizable symbols in the world. Over the years, the logo has evolved, but its blue oval shape remains a sign of quality and trust. The logo represents Ford's heritage and its commitment to excellence. It's a symbol that connects generations of drivers and fans. Women have played an important role in Ford's history, from the assembly line to the boardroom. The company is committed to supporting women in the workplace and promoting gender equality. Ford's efforts to empower women help create a more inclusive and dynamic organization. Beyond building cars, Ford has played a significant role in shaping society. The company has influenced everything from urban planning to labor relations. Ford's impact can be seen in the way cities are designed, the jobs people do, and the way we think about mobility. This broader influence is a testament to the company's importance in modern life. Ford has faced many challenges over the years, from economic downturns to changing consumer preferences. Each time, the company has shown resilience and the ability to adapt. Ford's willingness to learn from setbacks and embrace new opportunities has been key to its longevity and success. As we look to the future, Ford continues to innovate and evolve. The company's focus on electric vehicles, smart technology, and sustainability positions it for continued success. Ford's journey from a small startup to a global leader is a story of vision, determination, and progress. The road ahead is full of promise, and Ford is ready to lead the way. From the Model T to electric vehicles, Ford's history is a testament to the power of innovation. The company's commitment to progress has shaped the way we live, work, and travel. As Ford moves forward, its legacy of innovation and excellence will continue to inspire future generations. The story of Ford is far from over. It's a journey that keeps moving forward.
Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video and would like to see more calm and relaxing content, please consider liking, sharing, and subscribing. Your support truly helps the channel grow and allows me to keep creating peaceful videos for you. Stay relaxed and take care, Herb.